Morning. Okay, so a little bit of clarity as to what's happened over the last few days following on from my previous video. So we obviously saw a crash in the crypto market over the weekend. We've seen a little bit of recovery over the last day or so, although we're seeing a bit of a dip again today, a little baby dip in comparison. Now it would seem from what I'm reading is that the tariff news when Trump announced his 100% tariffs on China was a big misunderstanding, apparently. So they're obviously winding down on their rhetoric over the last 24 hours or so. We saw a recovery in the stock markets and also crypto, and I did mention in my previous video that at that time it could be a good buying opportunity, or indeed a little nibble. It's certainly what I did. I'm not telling you what to do with your money, it's entirely up to you, of course, but whether that's going to be a generational opportunity, who knows. You know, we see these sort of dips quite regularly in bull runs. The last bull run, I think we saw 7 dips of 20, 30 and even 50%. So it's normal. Now some will argue that we're not in a bull run, some will argue that we are in a bull run, some will argue that the 4-year cycle is over, etc, etc. But it's down to you guys to make a decision accordingly on what you think, really. There is also talk that it was all manipulated, and market makers use that rhetoric from Trump to manipulate the market and wipe out all the longs. I think total liquidations accounted to 20 billion, I think, although some were saying that is quite low in terms of estimates. There was a lot of leverage in the systems, and we were all really screwed by centralized exchanges, so Coinbase, Binance, et al. So be careful where you put your crypto. Once you do buy, make sure you put it into cold storage, cold wallets. You know, it's not your keys, not your crypto after all. So that would seem what was, you know, what indeed happened over the last few days. A lot of manipulation, which is why you have to ignore the short-term noise. It's difficult at times to control your emotions when you see crypto drop that much, but it's scared money don't make money, I guess. So if you bought, great. It's just a matter of hodling now. I'd say we've seen a little bit of a dip today, but let's see how the remainder of the week pan out. We've still got rate cuts to come, and also potential ETF approvals as well. Q4 is traditionally a good year moving forward, so stay safe out there, ignore the short-term noise, keep your wits about you, stay nimble, and enjoy the ride, because it's just the beginning. Enjoy your day.